English. Today, I am present here to talk about women empowerment. Before starting my topic, I want to speak some beautiful lines in English and Hindi. The empowered woman is powerful, measure beyond description. क्यों कहती है दुनिया कि नारी कमजोर है? क्यों कहती है दुनिया कि नारी कमजोर है? आज चलाने की डोर है. Women means making women independent. It also promotes women's safety. It allows women to take their decision. It equalizes the share of women with men. Women empowerment is necessary in development. It helps in reducing domestic violence and crimes against women. Women empowerment also helps in reducing gender inequality in society. Women have been a great importance for generation. Women play the role of wives and mother in the society. The empowerment of women has also brought social and economic gains in India. Before ending my topic, I want